Welcome back to the channel, folks. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to start putting down a layer of Quickshine all over the 85 Camaro Z28. So what I did was poured an amount of Quickshine into a little tub here and started brushing it on. I think in hindsight now what I need is a larger brush, or maybe what I'm going to end up doing is in the future is just pour a bunch of it into a deep bucket and dip the whole model in it and see how that turns out. You'll hear me say in the next part of this video that I was pretty impressed with the results of this. However, after it's sat for a couple of days now, the uh, the look on it is kind of orange peely. I don't know if that's because of the acrylic paint that I went over, or if it's because of the method in which it dried. Maybe it dried too fast. I'm not sure, but I'm going to use this quick shine again on a model painted with enamels and find out what the result was on that. Back in the day, we used to use automotive paint to paint vehicles, model cars, and we would shine them up with actual automotive waxes like your carnauba wax and that and get a wonderful result. So I'm pretty convinced now that with the next model, the 68 F250 custom cab model from Mobius, I'm going to paint that with some actual automotive finish and possibly hit it with the quick shine again at the end of that build and see how it comes out. So that's about it, folks. For the next almost 6 minutes, you're going to see nothing but me brushing the quick shine on this car. And if you want to skip ahead to the 8-minute mark, feel free. When you see me take the hood off and do the underside of it, that's when this section is done, and you can pick up on the next part of the video. Until then, I gotta practice with this editing program still so I can put some music over the top of these things. All right, thank you. Hey folks, there it is. 2 coats of Quickshine, and it perked that dull paint right up. I'm pretty impressed with it. That's how she looks. Got a nice shine to it, like a freshly waxed car. Sorry about that, folks. What I was saying is it's shining like a freshly waxed vehicle. And the battery just up and died on me on the camera here, so bear with me. Some fine little details. The second coat is still a little wet, so it shines a little bit. Alrighty. That's all she wrote on the 85 Z28 Camaro. Next time I see you, I'll be working on the 68 F250 custom cab Ford with the Mobius company, 125 scale kit. And I will see you on the next one. Thank you again for your support. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Have a good one.